Welcome to Housekeeping Master. If you have been looking for a way to upgrade your kitchen game while keeping your health goals in check, you have likely struggled with the dilemma of finding a rice cooker that does more than just sit on your counter taking up space. Today, we are taking a deep dive into the Cook with Color Glass Mini Low-Carb Rice Cooker. This is not your grandmother's standard rice cooker. It is a sleek, multifunctional machine that promises to change how you approach grains, soups, and even hot pot nights. Let us start with the headline feature, which is the starch removing capability. We all know that white rice is a staple, but it is often loaded with excess starch. This cooker uses a clever two-step process. It boils the rice for 15 minutes to release that unwanted starch into the water, and then it automatically steams it for another 15 minutes. The result is rice that is significantly lower in carbs but retains that perfect, fluffy texture we all crave. What makes this impressive is the auto-lifting stainless steel basket. You do not have to mess around with colanders or hot water to drain the rice manually. The machine does the heavy lifting for you, separating the starchy water from your meal automatically. Now, let us talk build quality. It features a stunning borosilicate glass construction. Not only does this look modern and clean on your countertop, but it also allows you to see exactly what is happening inside. There is no guesswork here. You can monitor the water levels and the consistency of your grains or soups in real time. It feels durable, well-made, and adds a touch of sophistication to any kitchen setup. But here is where this device really flexes its muscles. It is not just for rice. This is a versatile tool that functions as an adjustable hotpot as well. You get power controls that range from 100 to 700 watts, with 15-degree adjustments for your temperature settings. This makes it an excellent choice for simmering stews, braising meats, or hosting a fun, interactive hotpot dinner with friends. It even includes a delay timer and a keep warm function, which is essential for those busy weeknights when you want dinner to be ready exactly when you walk through the door. Let us get into the pros and cons. On the positive side, the design is compact, stylish, and incredibly multifunctional. It saves you from having to buy separate appliances for steaming and hot pot cooking. The automated lifting mechanism is a game changer for convenience and health. However, you should keep in mind that this is a mini cooker. It is designed for 2 cups of raw rice maximum. If you try to push the capacity beyond that, you will run into overflow issues. So, if you are feeding a large family, this might not be your primary cooker, but for individuals, couples, or small groups, it is absolutely perfect. To wrap things up, the Cook with Color Glass Mini Low-Carb Rice Cooker is a fantastic blend of aesthetic appeal and functional innovation. It prioritizes health without sacrificing flavor or ease of use. If you are tired of mushy rice and limited cooking options, this is a premium little upgrade that delivers on its promises. It is efficient, easy to clean, and genuinely fun to use. If you want to check out the current pricing or grab one for your own kitchen, I have everything you need below. Link in the description.